is to ensure that those who were speaking earlier and citing Standing Order 197 to 200 on composition of select committees, the right standing order we should be focusing on is Standing Order 80, which talks about how such special committees are established. And Mr. Speaker, that special committee ought to be bipartisan. Mr. Speaker, if we were to argue that every single coalition must be represented in the special committee, the day when we'll be having 12 coalitions in this House, it will not be possible to fit all those 12 coalitions in an 11-member committee. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, I want to urge the House to separate the issues of select committees that the Jubilee Coalition has raised from the issues of special committees, which is a special role that only this Senate can perform. You can take away funds from the Senate, you can take away powers from the Senate, but the one power that you cannot take away from the Senate is its power to consider impeachment of the President and its power to consider the impeachment of governors. So, Mr. Speaker, I fully support, and I want to urge that for us to give hope to the people of Siaya, let us not bring partisan political arguments in the establishment of this special committee.
Senator Okenyuri.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for this opportunity. I equally want to support the membership of the special committee. I had an opportunity in serving in the first special committee that was looking at the issue of the Meru County Governor, Her Excellency Governor Kawira Mwangaza. And I must say, as a newly sworn-in legislator then, that was a very good opportunity for me to learn what processes actually take place. And I'm very happy that even in this committee I can see young legislators. It's a blend of both young, a variety